Keeping your bike safe is crucial in 2025, whether you're commuting, cycling for fitness, or cruising around town. That's why choosing the right bike lock can save your ride from theft. Today we're looking at the best bike locks of 2025, from heavy-duty folding locks to U-locks and combination cables. We'll cover security features, durability, and ease of use, so you know exactly which lock is right for your bike. First up is the FoldyLock Forever, a patented folding bike lock with high security ratings. It's Sold Secure Gold certified, meaning it meets some of the highest anti-theft standards out there. This lock is 90 centimeters long, heavy-duty, and comes with keys for secure locking. Its foldable design makes it compact and easy to carry, while still being strong enough to deter thieves. The smart guard and smooth joints allow you to wrap it around bikes, poles, or even scooters. In real-world testing, the FoldyLock Forever was easy to handle and lightweight for its size, yet tough against forced entry. Its folding mechanism also makes storage simple when commuting. If you want a sleek, portable, and ultra-secure folding lock, the FoldyLock Forever is a top choice. Check the description below for the link. Next, the Kryptonite Crypto Lock Combo is a U-lock classic. Made from 12.7mm steel, it's incredibly durable and comes with a 4-digit resettable combination, eliminating the need for keys. Its U-shaped design allows for easy attachment to bike frames, poles, and racks. The anti-theft construction makes it resistant to cutting, prying, and leverage attacks. In real-world use, the CryptoLock Combo was straightforward and reliable. The combination feature is perfect for those who hate carrying keys, and the steel shackle feels solid, giving peace of mind when parking your bike in public areas. If you want a keyless, durable U-lock that's reliable and easy to use, the Kryptonite CryptoLock Combo is ideal. Check the description below for the link. The Sportneer Folding Bike Lock is another high-security folding option, measuring 95 centimeters, over 3 feet, and ART certified for strong theft resistance. It comes with 3 stainless steel keys and a mount bracket, so it's easy to carry while riding. Its heavy-duty construction can withstand cutting, prying, and harsh weather. The folding design makes it compact enough for storage on your bike frame without getting in the way. In testing, the Sportneer lock proved reliable for urban and outdoor use, giving me confidence to leave my bike unattended in public. Its solid hinge design ensures durability, while the mounting bracket makes transportation effortless. For a high-security folding lock with convenient mounting, the Sportneer Folding Bike Lock is a great choice. Check the description below for the link. Sometimes you need a long, flexible cable lock, and that's where the Master Lock Cable Lock comes in. At 6 feet long, it's perfect for locking multiple bikes to racks, or larger objects. You can set your own combination, giving flexibility without keys. While cable locks aren't as secure as heavy-duty folding or U-locks, they're lightweight, portable, and ideal for short stops. In testing, the Master Lock cable was extremely convenient for quick errands or indoor storage, and the combination setting was simple to use. It's a good addition if you pair it with a secondary lock for extra security. If you want a flexible, convenient cable lock for quick stops or additional security, the Master Lock Cable Lock is a reliable choice. Check the description below for the link. Finally, the OnGuard Double Team Pitbull combines a U-lock and cable, giving you double protection. With dimensions of 4.53 by 9.06 inches, it's strong enough to secure your bike and add extra coverage for wheels or accessories. The heavy-duty steel shackle and flexible cable create a versatile solution for city riding or parking in public spaces. In testing, it felt secure and reliable, with the combination of U-lock and cable, making it nearly impossible to tamper with in casual theft attempts. For maximum security and the flexibility of both U-lock and cable, the OnGuard Double Team Pitbull is an excellent choice. Check the description below for the link. No matter your riding style, there's a lock to keep your bike safe. Check the description below for links to all these top picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on which lock you'd trust with your ride.